Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to a new vlog. And today we're gonna work on a Celica, and we're actually gonna finally switch the steering wheel. It's gonna be the first mod for the Celica that we got. And just chilling with some of the buddies, with me, my brothers, and then Jeremy's here too. So Pong and Jeremy, what's up Jeremy?
Hi.
So we're gonna go ahead and vacuum the car first, switch out the steering wheel, and then we're gonna clean up the car and then take it into the storage and bring my 86 out. So before I vacuum, here's the interior. It's dirty. Get all that. So it's kind of dirty back here. So let's go ahead and clean all this junk out and make it look a lot cleaner. Just finished vacuuming it. Look how cleaner it is now. And then let's go ahead and switch this one out. It's like a Grant steering wheel. We're gonna take this out, and Blum just got here. Say what's up, Blum. Here with Key too as well. And then Blum's gonna take this steering wheel, right? And then we're gonna swap these wheels out to the SSRs. So the steering wheel that we're gonna change it out to is actually this one. An RD deep corn and an NRG quick release setup. So my homie John just came by, and we're gonna check out his window for his GS300 because the window is stuck down. So let's see what it is. Look at how that shit stuck in. Look what's holding it in place. Condoms. Oh shit. So if I take that out, it's gonna slide down, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go ahead and take out the door panels, and then we're gonna see what's going on. So we opened it up, and the bracket was on kind of off.
This was taken off and put in the front.
Yeah, put in the front.
This one was super tight, so
let's see if that. I think that will fix the issue though.
Yeah, that should sit in there now. Wherever it's sitting like this.
And then you just have to slide it back in, huh?
Yeah, just slide it on top of it.
And don't ever roll it down.
Yeah.
Can you push that up to where it sits up? Because it's too low, right?
No. Well, does this not move or what?
No.
We could put power to this and make it go up.
Alright, so we got 2 wires, and we're going to hook it up to the battery and try to give power to the window motor and see if it works. Shit.
Whack ass.
Fucking suck, bro. There you go. Go, bro. Don't ever roll it down again. Nice. We might be okay now, though, huh? I don't even need this shit, bro. Damn, just ripped the shit off, dude.
Yeah, that shit open, that shit stick on. That's why it was taped right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, retarded, huh? Okay, so we got the steering wheel in, and man, damn, look how that looks, guys. Looks way better than before. It's nice and stiff. Horn button doesn't work, but we'll get it working next time. Let me know what you guys think about it. Really changes up the interior. So the homies, Jeremy's taking off because he don't want to hang out with us and shit. I'm just kidding. So, but we're gonna check out his IS300 first. It's pretty badass. Here it is. The yellow banana. It has a L-tune side skirts. We replaced the mirror with the white one because it was like all beat up. Check out the interior. 5-speed manual. Can't see anything. This shit looks sick. It had a stock spoiler on, but we took it off because we picked up another one and we're gonna put it on. Whenever Jeremy's free, then go ahead and do it. And he has some pretty cool wheels that he hasn't put on yet either. So a lot of things for this car, but just haven't had time to do it. It's good though. It's clean. On camera it looks really clean. Yeah. Yeah. It's got to paint the side skirts yellow too. So we're gonna barbecue, chill with some of the homies. Gotta get some stuff ready first, but then we'll go ahead and change out the wheels from the 86 to the Celica. I'll get back to you guys when we do that. Yo guys, just finished it, and damn, it looks good. You guys gotta check it out. Here we go. Oh man, look at the fitment though. Look at that.
Yep, they're good. They're like so much better in person though.
Look at that, guys. Oh, once the shock settles, it'll be a little lower. Woo, look at that. These wheels are sick. So we didn't need to run spacers in the back. We just need to run them in the front. But looks good. And let's go check out Blung's car now. Oh, these wheels belong on this 86. Look at that. Looks so freaking good. Silver on silver. This is the set that Blung always wanted too, like a silver set of rewinds or Watanabes. How clean they are. So John came back and we bought a barbecue. I think it's him, Jeremiah, and Peter. But damn, look how that looks. They're shinier than your car, man.
I know, now I gotta make my car shiny.
We should repaint your car.
Like Jeff's? Nah, I don't know.
We gotta go buy a full size gun and paint it with the full size instead of the little detail gun. What's up, Jeremiah? Hope you don't mind recording you. Sorry,
brother?
sorry, my hand's dirty.
Oh.
Sorry. Alright guys, so probably gonna end the night here. Actually not gonna take the Celica out to the storage anymore because it's kind of late and they close at 6 or 5. And so we're gonna do that tomorrow, but hope you guys like the wheels. Man, they look good, right? And so if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button as well, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.